Hi friends, welcome to day 3 of Mama Elephant's April 2024 release. Today we are introducing this new sentiment set called Typed Thank Yous. We are also introducing plain rectangle frames. Let's take a look at the Typed Thank Yous first. There are 4 larger sentiments in this set, as well as 24 smaller ones. I'm showing you how they compare to the Simple Friends Bubbles set. These sentiments can be used on their own, or you can make fun combinations. In this video, I will be showing 2 clean and simple cards using the new sentiments. I started with 2 standard-sized card bases. I searched my stash for some patterned paper that would go nicely with the Me and My Whale stamp set. I used the plain rectangle frames to make a focal point in the middle of my card. I stamped a combination of the larger and smaller sentiments at the bottom of my panel. I went with You're the Best, an ocean of thanks, and My heart is full because of you, thank you. I used the same die from the set to cut both the panel as well as the frame, lining each of the panels with a Kraft cardstock frame. I colored the jumping whale from the Me and My Whale stamp set in 2 different colors as to match the background. I finished my scene with some water droplets in contrasting colors to the whale but matching the background. And that finishes my cards for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the Mama Elephant YouTube channel and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from the 15th of April, and I hope I will see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions. Bye!